be a benign zone.
Okay, so that's why it's dotted.
That dotted line is in between these two transformation curves, start and finish. ओके आप देखिए ये आपका ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन स्टार्ट वाला कोर ये है एंड इट इज ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन फिनिश और अदर फेजेस. There is no meaning to have this as a solid line because we cannot say that you can come here and then can get the martensite because then somewhere you are coming from here.
Okay, sir.
Because here you cannot enter with 100% martensite. और आपका मार्टेनसाइट के लिए रिक्वायरमेंट है 100% ऑस्टेनाइट होना चाहिए.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear, San Nikhil?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can tell me how we can come in this region with 100% austenite. Is there any possibility?
No, sir.
So I think you are clear now.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. Any other question, query, doubt?
Sir,
Yes, Anugrah Pradhan.
sir, so we considered various curves now. So, for example, we have the CCR curve or something. So, before it touches, the cooling curve touches any start curve. So, it is in the unstable austenite zone. So, if we consider different points there, then what is the difference in that austenite which is there with reducing temperature?
Difference in austenite means I cannot understand what exactly you meant. It will be unstable austenite only. With whatever the properties of that austenite, it will have that properties. We are very soon, maybe may not be tomorrow, may not be today, tomorrow. At the beginning only I told it very clearly, we are going to see one term called as retained austenite. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That means even some austenite will come at room temperature also, which will not be transformed in any phase. Okay, so even this austenite will also the same property which is at 720 some.
Okay. Sir, so
Okay, so proper-
in austenite, no change takes place until it touches a cooling curve, until it touches the start curve, even if you are reducing the temperature.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. It will be the same. Okay. It will be the same.
Okay.
But it is unstable. That means it will always try to find that it will go to its stability region. If nothing is, if any other activities are not done, because even this retained austenite which we are going to see, which is at room temperature, because it is unstable, that is going to cause some major damage. Later on we will see. Please don't miss tomorrow's lecture also. So because this retained austenite which is unstable, which is inside your material, trapped in the material at room temperature, as it is not stable, it will always try to come out of the material. वो मटेरियल के बाहर निकलने की कोशिश करेगा. इट विल टेक सम टाइम, मंथ्स, ईयर्स. आवर प्रोडक्ट इज फंक्शनिंग. आपका प्रोडक्ट फंक्शनिंग में है, आपने टेस्टिंग करके प्रोडक्ट बेच दिया है, प्रोडक्ट आपके साइट पर इंस्टॉल हो चुका है. 2-3 साल के बाद पता चलेगा कि वो जो रिटेन ऑस्टेनाइट अंदर में था वो बाहर निकलने की कोशिश कर रहा था एंड फाइनली इट इज सक्सेसफुल एंड व्हाइल डूइंग सो मटेरियल में उसने क्रैक क्रिएट कर दिया. दैट इज द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ रिटेन ऑस्टेनाइट.
Okay.
Okay, so we will see. Retained austenite is very dangerous at room temperature. बहुत बार हम 2-3 साल के बाद कोई एखादे अच्छे प्रोडक्ट का फेल्यूर देखते हैं ना, तो वन ऑफ द रीजन इज दैट retained austenite. Okay, so tomorrow anyway I will explain it with some example also and with detail. But I think immediately your question which is there, that I addressed it.
Yes,
Is it?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Any other query to anyone, please? Saptarshi, I hope all the doubts are clear, or if not, please tell me.
Yes, sir. Cleared.
Okay. Now, please refer this diagram. Please refer this diagram wherein different curves are shown. Different curves are shown. hope all cores are very clear to all of you. What will be the output of core number 3?
Medium perlite.
Medium perlite. Is it? What is the output of core number 4?
Fine perlite.
So sir, fine perlite.
फाइन परलाइट. यस, वेरी गुड. फिर अभी मीडियम परलाइट और फाइन परलाइट में डिफरेंस क्या हो गया?
Grain size.
So sir, hardness.
यस, लिखा है. तो आप देखो अभी नाउ यू दिस इज नॉट एप्लीकेशन ऑफ द डायग्राम. फर्स्ट नो आपके फाइनल मटेरियल में क्या चाहिए हार्ड हीट ट्रीटमेंट के बाद. ओके, तो वो हिसाब से आपको 30 आरसी आप कर सकते हैं, 40 आरसी भी अचीव कर सकते. कूलिंग रेट, बिकॉज दिस ऑल दिस डॉटेड लाइन्स आर नथिंग बट कूलिंग रेट. all these cores are not critical cooling rates. See, core number 1, 2, 3, all these are the cooling rates, but not critical cooling rate. इसमें से एक ही है वो critical cooling rate है. What is the number of that critical cooling rate? Type करो. Please type the number of the core which is critical cooling rate. Yes, students are typing. Yes, very good. Yes, core number 7. It is the only core to which we can call as critical cooling rate. Others are also cooling rates. Which one is the fastest cooling rate here? Fastest cooling rate. Yes, core number 6 is the fastest. Okay, and this zigzag line which is shown, please remember, it is indicating the transformation. ये जो है ये ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हो रहा है ऐसा इंडिकेट कर रहा है. ओके, हियर द ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन इज देयर. ओके, so core number 8, if you observe core number 8, it is called as interrupted cooling. Core number 8 is called as interrupted cooling. नरेश जी, तो कोई डाउट है यहाँ पर? Okay, Alendra is asking about core number 5. Core number 5. क्या होगा core number 5 में? Anugrah Pradhan, can you explain core number 5?
So in curve number 5, there is some transformation taking place initially when it touches the start curve. But then,
Yes, very good.
but then again the cooling curve leaves from the start curve and then enters the Martensite transformation region.
Yes, very good.
So, but then in this case, we won't have 100% austenite.
Yes, sure. It is not having 100. Already, let us assume 50% austenite is consumed. Consume means transform. Okay, so only that remaining austenite
Will get transformed to Martensite.
Martensite. Okay, only that remaining austenite will get transformed to Martensite. ठीक है, so 100% Martensite you are not going to get in that. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
And similar, Palendra, I think you got your answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but now Palendra, I ask you the same question. This core number 4, अगर वो आगे आएगा और वो भी आपके पास वो MSMF में जा रहा है, whether it will result into any martensite, थोड़ा भी कुछ martensite मिल सकता है core number 4 में?
No, sir.
Why not?
So, sir, all of the austenite is converted into fine perlite.
कहाँ पर खत्म हो गया वो?
X4 dash.
Yes, X4 dash, it is completely finished. Okay, transformation is finished. So this is what the application, okay, such a beautiful concept of TTT diagram. Okay, you must understand this very effectively, and this diagram is going to answer many of your question in industry. ओके आपको आपके इंडस्ट्री में जो भी डाउट्स आ रहे हैं वो सारे के आंसर ये डायग्राम्स आपको प्रोवाइड करेगा, प्रोवाइडेड यू शुड रेफर द करेक्ट टीटीटी डायग्राम. आप 0.3% कार्बन के लिए यूटेक्टॉइड स्टील वाला डायग्राम स्टडी करोगे तो गलत, आपका ऑप्शन फेल हो जाएगा. ठीक है ना? सपोज वन कोर विच आई मेंशन लाइक दिस. अब आप इसमें कुछ बता पाएंगे इन टर्म्स ऑफ सीसीआर? How to get CCR in this? Tanmay.
No idea, sir.
नहीं, आपको तो ये तो सरप्राइजिंग आंसर है आपसे तन्मय. मुझे लगा कि आपका एकदम मिनिमम वर्ड में आप बेस्ट आंसर दे दोगे, बट ये मेरे लिए शॉकिंग आंसर है आपका. लॉजिकल आंसर है यहाँ पर.
No CPR.
नो सीसीआर. तो उसको आप और किसी और कैसे एक्सप्लेन करेंगे?
Cannot get 100% mark.
आंसर बराबर है आपका, आंसर बराबर है.
So we cannot get 100% martensite.
यस, ओके. सो फॉर्मेशन ऑफ मार्टेनसाइट, दैट मीन्स उस मटेरियल में वो हार्डनेबिलिटी ही नहीं है. दैट मटेरियल डज नॉट पोजेस द हार्डनेबिलिटी. Is it?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. So I think you all are getting this application of TT diagram. Okay, that also is very important. So by making use of this, okay, we will now the time is almost getting over, but I request you to explain me one point. Okay, here itself, let me, okay, just ask one point. Okay, please refer core number 1. All are requested to refer core number 1. I am going to draw the core number 1. So this core number 1 which is there, please refer this. And here, now I am going to show large number of points there. Large number of points. You have to answer. In the exam questions may come like this. Suppose point number A. What will be there? Nikhil Santosh, point number A.
Sir, unstable austenite.
Cooling started, temperature little bit decreased, but the austenite will remain in the austenite form, but it will be unstable austenite. No phase transformation.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? This way you need to answer it. Okay. Point number B, Naresh. आपको लिखना है, प्लीज राइट डाउन पॉइंट नंबर ए, पॉइंट बी. आप एक्सप्लेन करना है. एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन आता है कोई पर्टिकुलर स्किल, तो आपको लिखना है टू ईच पॉइंट. नरेश, पॉइंट बी.
The temperature is little bit decreased and 100% unstable austenite is there.
Yes, very good. Okay. Mihir Panchal, C, point C. सप्तर्षि. Shitanshu.
Sir, at point C, the temperature will reduce the temperature will reduce by a little bit more, but 100% unstable austenite will remain.
Yes. Okay. So you may revise the wording like that. Okay. There is further reduction in temperature, however, no transformation yet begin.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, point number X1. Let us continue that as same point X1. Who will mention about X1?
Transformation will start.
Yes, Neer, please speak loudly.
Transformation will start at X1.
Yes, okay. Now the transformation is starting. What will happen now? उसको थोड़ा बताइए और अंदर में जाइए उसके. एनेलिंग में लर्न किया हमने. आयुष गुप्ता. आयुष. Okay, students are writing very good. Shitanshu, Tanmay, they are writing. Yes, it is good. Suyash Singh. Explain करो पॉइंट नंबर X1. ठीक है, शीतांशु आप बताइए. चलो आंसर तो करेक्ट है आपने जो लिखा है.
Nuclei of alpha ferrite starts to form.
Yes. Okay, so major portion will be austenite only.
Yeah,
With
90
few nuclei of ferrite. Yes, with few nuclei of ferrite. Yes, वही जो सेम आपने फुल एनालिंग में स्टडी किया है ना, वो सब यहाँ पर एप्लीकेबल है. इनफैक्ट एट द बिगिनिंग ऑफ टुडेज क्लास अनुग्रह प्रदा एक्सप्लेन इट आल्सो. सेम एक्सप्लेनेशन यू हैव टू पुट इट हियर. ठीक है. बट नाउ हियर पॉइंट नंबर 5. शीतांशु बताइए पॉइंट नंबर 5 इन बिटवीन.
So 50% transformation has been is done, and the austenite percentage has reduced, and the nuclei the ferrite is now grown in size. It's no more than the nuclei faded. It's pretty significant.
Okay. 6 number. 6 number.
Complete transformation the transformation is complete, and perlite starts to form.
नहीं, परलाइट तो इन बिटवीन हो रहा है ना. इसके बीच में आपने जो बोल रहे थे हर बार फेराइट नहीं बोला है. परलाइट आपका जो भी हो रहा है वो अंदर ही हो रहा है.
तो फिर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन कंप्लीट हो चुका है.
ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ ऑस्टेनाइट टू कोर्स परलाइट कंप्लीट्स.
यस.
कोई डाउट है अभी भी शीतांशु?
नो सर.
ओके. देन पॉइंट नंबर 7.
Final perlite has been formed, and now the temperature is reducing further. No more transformation.
No further transformation except reduction in temperature. Naresh.
Yes sir.
पॉइंट 6 को बताइए आप एक बार थोड़ा. मुझे अभी शीतांशु के आंसर से मैं ये हो गया कि आप लोगों को कुछ और दूसरा ही तो कुछ समझ नहीं रहे आप लोग. पॉइंट नंबर 6 को बताइए.
At the point number 6, all the austenite will be transformed into coarse perlite, sir. There is no
Yes,
no.
very good.
Okay. And at point number 7, it will remain same coarse perlite. Only temperature will be decreased, sir.
Yes, very good. Okay, so I think I have made all the efforts to let you understand this diagram with a different view. और भी आपके डाउट जो भी थे सब हमने क्लियर करने की कोशिश किया है. Tomorrow, because now with reference to today's topic, tomorrow we are going to understand this transformation mechanism into Martensite. Because of this good understanding here, you can understand this topic very well, and then after understanding this, we will see retained austenite also. So tomorrow's topics are also very interesting. So please join tomorrow's class at 4 p.m. and we will move ahead with further topics also. for your good interest, I am going little slow. Okay, really we are going slow, but I feel that it is investment of our time. Okay, I consider it as investment of time so that even 50% of you get benefited by this later on in your career, immediate career. That will be what I can feel that will be my satisfaction and our achievement. Is it okay to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Otherwise, finishing the syllabus is not a big deal for me. I can complete it in very less lectures also. But let us frame our objective something different than our exam pattern. Okay. Because of some good interested student, I can see there are some 15-20 good interested students are there. For them, I am going in depth discussion. Okay. ठीक है, कोई डाउट है किसी को? तन्मय.
No, sir.
Okay, so I again request you to enjoy the subject. Don't just try to learn this subject as how to appear in the exam, how to write it, and how to wind up this subject. Please enjoy this subject and try to find out something in this for your future benefit. Okay. So if there is no doubt, let us stop over here for today. Tomorrow we will meet again at 4 p.m. Thank you to all.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.